viewers, today we're making a new and a winter recipe. The name of this recipe is called Walnut Halwa. So let's begin with how much we have walnuts. We have 250 grams of walnuts. We have crushed 2 to 3 cardamom, and we have half cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons ghee. We have taken 2 cups, one we'll add when we are cooking, okay? So we have 150 grams of koya. So let's begin. And now put our walnut into a crusher and crush it. I will meet you guys after our walnuts are crushed. We have crushed our walnut, as you can see. Wow. And now I put it in a big bowl. Our walnuts. Put some 4 tablespoons of ghee in the pan. It is always so satisfying to watch it melt. And now we put our walnut in there nicely and easily. And just spread it out there and mix it. So the ghee is mixed in our walnut to give it some unique taste. The smell is so nice because of the ghee. Roast it for 2 minutes on low flame. Be careful, don't burn these good old walnut. As you can see, our walnut has changed a bit of its color, and it is roasted really nicely. And now we'll put some milky old milk to a cup. Fresh milk goes again. This walnut halwa is about to be so good. I can't wait for it to be perfectly done. And now we'll put some more lychee. And now we'll put our koya in there. I love koya. And now we'll mix it. We will cook it until our milk is evaporated. Our half milk is reduced, and now we'll put our sugar. And now we'll mix it. If you need to add more sugar, you can add, but for me, it's just that much. And now we'll cook it until it dry, and then I will show you how it looks. After 10 to 15 minutes, our milk is evaporated, as you can see. Our ghee is getting separated, so now it means it's ready, and now we will take it in a dish. And now we pour it in our dish. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. And now I will separate it so it gets some cold. If you guys like this video, please like this video. Please leave a like. And I will let it cool, and after it's cool, I will tell you how it is made. And I'll cut some pieces and show you. So guys, now we'll put some walnuts for decoration, as you can see. One goes right there, one goes right there, one goes right there, one goes right there. As you guys can see, this is ready to be eaten, and now I will eat it. So as you can see, this piece looks so yummy, and I will take it out. As you can see, and now we'll put it in a plate that I will show you. As you can see, and now I will eat it. This is so good. I love it. If you guys like this video, subscribe, leave a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in this next video. Allah Hafiz.